Hello, Shining TV Kids. My name is Mario. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Shining TV Kids. And today we are going to do the faces of the moon. So first, for this activity, we'll need a plastic knife, some Oreos, and some paper. So, I will tell you all the phases of the moon. First quarter, waxing crescent, new moon, waning crescent. Third quarter, waning gibbous, full moon, waxing gibbous, first quarter. So just going round and round. So should we start this activity? So first, just take an Oreo, open it out. You'll see some icing. Get the plastic knife and cut. Cutting, cutting, cutting. Ooh. Just put it over there. We'll use this one for the white part, the leftover on the cookie, for the moon shape. And now we do our first quarter finish. Next one is the waxing crescent. Here, the waxing crescent. The waxing crescent. To do the waxing crescent, we need to do like the moon. Oh, it's hard to open because I put it in the fridge. Okay. Just see, there's some white icing, and we'll cut it out because we'll use the leftover icing so that the leftover icing we will eat. We're going to do like this. I don't get. Yeah, I get it. It's a bit hard to do. Then just cut out the excess. Oh, wait, don't go together. It's hard to pull it out. There we go. I'll fix it a bit. Okay. Okay, very sticky. There we go. Let me see. Okay, our second one is done. Now, the third one is the new moon. For this, just put a cookie. Finish. Because there's nothing for the new moon. Because the new moon will come. Next is the waning crescent. Here's the waning crescent. So we need to do the waning crescent. Okay. Yeah. Boing. Okay. There we go. Oh. Big icing. Bam. That's the moon. Moon cake. Moon cake. Okay, I think a little bit more. Yeah, like that. Moon cake. Okay, a lot of moon cake. I don't like this. Okay. Next one is the third quarter. It's at the bottom. Here is the third quarter. For the third quarter, we'll just do half. Yeah. Chef a pinky. Look like it. Okay. Now. Yummy. the rest of it. So the next one is the waning kibbutz. The waning kibbutz. The waning kibbutz. Just a piece of that leftover. We just need to get out this icing and we're going to finish. Okay, see? Alright, now goes over there. The next one is the full moon. If you want to do this, it's very easy because it's just full moon. So just get an Oreo with just a full moon. Yum. The next one is the waxing kibbutz. The waxing kibbutz is the last one. The waxing kibbutz. Very slow. And when we finish this channel, we will get so good. And the rest of the cookies, I will eat it. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. All right, I got my shape. Okay, see? Yum! And that one goes on the last one. Hip hooray! We finished our Oreo faces. Let's say it again, shall we? First one is first quarter. The next one, let's see, is the waxing crescent. The third one is the new moon. The fourth one is the waning crescent. The fifth one, whatever, is the third quarter. The next one is waning kibbutz. The next one is the full moon. The next one is the waxing kibbutz. And then we're back to the top with the first quarter. Now that we finish, I can eat my cookies. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and now bye. Hope you like my video.